Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is an exciting announcement. We're finally going to reveal our new parrot. So I would like to introduce you to Charlie, who's currently in his cage behind me. I'm going to talk a little bit about Charlie, his background, talk about our initial bonding, and talk about what we're going to be doing going forward with Charlie, and then of course showing you lots of lovely clips of Charlie out and about having lots of fun. So here is Charlie. Charlie is a 4-year-old crimson-bellied conure. So to those of you who guessed conure, well done. To those of you who guessed other birds, sorry. Yeah, he's very talkative, he's very cute. So yeah, a 4-year-old crimson-bellied conure. He's absolutely adorable. And we adopted him from a very loving home who sadly had a change in circumstances due to work and other personal things. So they wanted him to go somewhere where they knew he'd be looked after well. And we know that he's going to be missed there, but we hope we can provide the absolute best home for him. He's very cute. As you can see, he's already sitting on the hand and being very chatty. What an adorable little boy you are, aren't you, Charlie? And obviously we're giving him lots of treats, giving him time to settle and trying to take things in a nice relaxed way. You may ask, why is he straight in the bird room as well? We know his previous home, we know he's had no contact with birds, and he's had a full vet workup, which obviously helps us a lot in deciding what we should do. So we've given him a nice spot in the room. It's basically the bird room now, there's other stuff in here, and there's lots of fun things going on, aren't there? So what are our plans with Charlie going forward? Lots of training, lots of fun. Our hope is to bond him with Olive so they can share a cage and also have lots of company. Oh no, those naughty finches outside. So yeah, hopefully they can get on really well. If not, we're prepared for that. We're prepared to do all sorts of things on his own, but we want him to have the best life. That means lots of interactions with other conures, lots of interactions with us, and lots of training. Now, if you want to follow that journey, we will still obviously post material about it on YouTube, but if you want to follow that journey and the whole process of bonding and all the detailed work, we'll be doing a series on Patreon, a dedicated series that you can watch. So do feel free to check out my Patreon link in the description if you want to sign up and watch it. I promise it'll be interesting. We have lots of other dedicated videos on there too. So a little bit about Charlie's personality. He's a big talker like Kipling. He's obviously a crimson belly, so that means quite out there personality. He's a lot quieter, a lot less shouty. As you can see, he's very friendly, he's very nice. I think that's partly because he's come from such a loving home where they've done so much work with him, and you know, he's so used to humans. Are you gonna go elsewhere? Are you a bit bored of sitting on me now the treats are gone? But yeah, he is a very outgoing personality. He's very curious about all the birds. He just wants to be friends with everyone, and I find that absolutely adorable. So Charlie's off playing with Sophie right now, and if you have any questions about him, you want to learn more about him, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments. But in the meantime, from me, Sophie, Charlie and the rest of the flock, take care and have a really nice day.